Hey everyone, so I recently finished this online course, Korelasyon ve Regresyon Analizi, and I wanted to share my thoughts. First off, let me just say, you can get this course for free using the link in the description below. Yes, you read that right, free, and you even get a certificate of completion. Pretty amazing, right? Now, the course itself is all about mastering correlation and regression analysis using Excel. If you're someone who works in business, maybe in project management, or if you're a student working on a thesis or research project and you need to understand these statistical concepts, this is perfect for you. It's especially useful if you don't have access to or don't want to use SPSS. The instructor, Ismail Yılmaz, does a great job of breaking down complex statistical ideas into manageable chunks. We're talking about things like hypothesis testing, understanding different variable types, calculating means, medians, variances, and standard deviations. All the essentials. He even covers a normal distribution assumptions, which can be tricky. The real strength of this course is the hands-on approach. You learn to perform Pearson correlation and both simple and multiple linear regression analyses step by step, entirely within Excel using the data analysis tool pack. It's practical, it's efficient, and it avoids the complexity of other software packages. Honestly, even if you have some basic Excel skills, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll be able to confidently perform these analyses, interpret the results, and even identify outliers in your data, skills that are incredibly valuable in many fields. So, if you're looking to boost your analytical skills without the hefty price tag of specialized software, this is the course for you. Check out the description below for the free enrollment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.